Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody, AliShanMao here from Lisaili Airfield, Dubai, and this is going to be the maiden for HSD Tornado EDF jet, and this is also my maiden flight here in Dubai at Lisaili Airfield. This jet can be flown with the 4S or 6S, so right now I believe I have put in a 6S 3300 milliamp. Let's see how this baby behaves. Hope it's not gonna be my first crash in Dubai. A bit more nose heavy. Feels much better now.
Something loose on that airplane.
Not mine, I think. That was tail heavy plane. Now we have a nice balanced CG on this one. So we can start having fun with this one. Stalling. But now CG is much better, so plane came back in control pretty nice, handled it well. Or maybe it was the crosswind thing. Not that fast as they advertised. It could, well, maybe because of the wind direction, we have crosswinds. Looks nice in the skies. Slow flying capabilities are good so far. We might be running out of batteries now. We have one more pair of 3S that we can turn into 6S with this series. Alright, I'm losing power. I better land now. Wind cuts down, so we can actually probably look at some smoother landing maybe? No idea. Much better than the previous one. There's something loose on that plane. Ladies and gentlemen, HSD Tornado did not disappoint today. It was pretty good, given that it's a bit difficult to find the CG on this one. They have actually marked the spot, but I'm not sure if this is for the CG. CG is 85 mm right from the trailing edge of the wing. Alright, so let me put in one more pair of 3S batteries, and maybe we can have one more fun flight with this one. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the new uploads. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with friends.